Hello YouTube, this is Samuel again, and today I'll tell you why I like swing trading a little bit more than day trading, and I want to go straight to the point. Okay, so let's go ahead and start it. The first thing I'd like to say is that personally, okay, that could be different from you, but personally, I had way better results when I started doing swing trading versus day trading. And I think that one of the reasons why swing trading worked best for me, is because when you do swing trading or when you do any type of medium to long term trades, it helps you because it gives you more time to think. The problem with day trading is that you don't have time to let the chart even moves, and most of the times the chart a lot of the times when you open a trend and it goes against you, most of the times it's going to go back to the break even point, or depends on the chart, of course, that you're operating, and it's not always, but 90% of the times that happens. And the problem is with day trading is that you're literally forced and obligated to trade, to close a trade and to close your operations in the same day. And when you do that, you're not giving margin to the chart to move. Again, I'm not saying that it doesn't work or whatever, but I'm saying that it worked way better for me when I started doing swing trades or any type of a little bit more again long trades than short trades. And what I realized by trading, I've been trading more now for more than 2 years. Forex specifically is a little less, but I know I know the financial world, the investments world for a little over 3 years now. And one thing I realize is the time you have, the last literally, so like for example, anything that is like scalping trading or day trading, stuff like that. So the last time you have, the more likely you are to lose money, and the less time you have, the more people that are losing money with this type of investment. Let me just search for the word real quick. I'm not gonna cut off because it's just going literally raw. Hold up. So again, modality or type of investment. So the shorter the modality of investment, as day trading, scalping trading, the harder it is for you to make money. And that's what happened with me in my personal experience. That's what I saw from people, I saw from friends, I saw from other people. And what I realized is that it is easier to make money when you are doing long term trading or medium term trading, such as swing trading or even position or even stuff like that. Anything that gives you more space and time to think. So ideally, generally speaking, is every time you have more time. That sounds a little weird. So every time you can think to do your orders and where you should close a trade, you have a better result overall, and that's been proving from time to time. The more I get into knowing how the stocks work, how trading works and stuff like that. And when I was younger, I used to battle that. I used to be like, oh no, I love day trading, so I know that 99.9% of people lose money, and I'm gonna be the 1%, so I'm gonna do what nobody's doing. And the problem with this mentality is that there's two sides of this coin. The first side of this coin is that it's amazing that you have strength to not give up, but the problem is there's the other side, in which sometimes you're making a mistake, and because you want to prove to yourself or other people that you want to get to that level, quote unquote, you end up making a bunch of mistakes and even messing up. Versus if you just kind of took away, if you zoom out a little bit and you see more perspective, and if you had more knowledge about other types of markets, you would make money faster, better, and easier with less stress. So why would I want to, for example, make money with way more stress, if on the other side I would make money as well, but with way less stress, for example? And that's when swing trading came to my life, and it's literally what changed my life, and it's been changing my life for a little while now. Of course, I'm not rich. I'm really far from that. I am still, crawling in the market and getting started. Not getting started as a beginner, but I haven't gotten there yet. I'm still in the journey. But I realized that my life became so much easier and better when I learned swing trading, and for my friends as well. And this is why I shared it with the community, because I want you guys to learn. And by any means, I'm telling you to stop doing what you're doing. I think that if you have your own strategy and it works for you, if you're doing day trading and you've been doing that for a really long time and you make more money than what you lose on the long run, then by any means continue that. Don't stop. Don't let anybody tell you the opposite. But unfortunately for me, because I spent too much time and it didn't work, I had to take a break and do something else, because I don't have infinite money. So I could not afford to keep losing all the time. It's like you're playing casino. It's like I was playing casino. I used to, trade, lose all my money, go to work, make some money, put in the game, and then lose, and then work again, and then put in the game, and then lose the money, and then work again, and then I would be in this vicious cycle, and I would never get anywhere. So 1, 2, 3 months down the line, 5 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months down the line, 1 year, 2 years, boom, I haven't made any progress. I am so much more frustrated because it's been a year. I lost money, time, and energy, and I haven't seen anything, any process, any progress. So that's why I really like sharing the idea of swing trading, and that's why I strongly suggest to you that if you're starting trading now, I think one of the easiest ways and one of the best ways possible for you to make money is with swing trading, and with Forex specifically, because Forex, you can start with low money. You don't have to have, I don't know, $10,000 to start, $50,000 to start. You can start with way less than that, because you can operate with 0.01 lot size, which is the minimum one. And it gives you a lot of margin for that, and you can train. So you can train for 1, 2, 3 years, or 1 year, or 6 months, or whatever. And when you do, again, long-term trading, it's easier. But again, it's not because it's easier, it's easy, because you could still lose money if you don't know what you're doing. Doesn't matter if it's short-term or long-term, you have to know what you're doing. But on the long run and overall, I think swing trading is so much easier. And I will show you this account right here. I am working with this account publicly to show you a little bit of my strategy. And this account here made 5% a month for 2 months. So I've been doing 5% a month consistently for 2 months now. I'm going now to the 3rd month, right? And I don't know what's going to happen in this month because it's variable income, but I will share that with you guys in the end of the month. And I did swing trading, and this is the chart. So this is the chart. I started with this amount of money, and then it went up $500. So for 457 specifically. But all of these trades, they were kind of safe, not too risky, because I'm trading at a really safe margin. And it's easy to make more profits when you're doing swing trading, because you have time to let the market roll. You have time to let the chart do its thing. You have to let the market work. That's what I think. I think you have to let the market work when you open a trade, when you buy a certain currency, or when you sell a certain currency. You need to give time. You can't just be buying it in 1 second and then selling it and then buying again in the next second. That's too crazy, and on top of that, you're paying tax. So every time you open a trade, you're paying commission to the broker. You have the swap. Swap is a little different, but commissions. There's also the spread. So there's spread and commissions, and that you're paying to the broker, which makes it even harder for you. So you are already starting at a disadvantaged position, because most people lose money. 99% of people lose money. Some of you are trading in a market maker broker, which makes it even harder, because the brokers want you to lose money, and it's interesting for them to see you lose money because you're operating against them. And some of them, they do little tweaks here and there to increase your probability of losing money. So I'm telling you that you're already starting the game at a disadvantage. So why not? Why would you do day trading? Why would you do scalping to make it even harder? So it is going to just increase more and more your probabilities of making money. Again, I'm not saying you cannot make money with day trading. I made some money with day trading in for a while, but what worked better for me, what worked consistently for me to make money month by month or on the long run and in a easier way with less stress, was swing trading. And here you can see the progress of the charts right here. And that's just to show to you why I think, in my personal opinion, that swing trading is a little better than day trading. But again, you could even use that in a way to make both to work together. But like the foundation and the base would be swing trading, for example. And this is why, again, that's not financial advice, but if you're trading, do everything at your own risk. There's the demo accounts, and all of that for you trading. And once you feel comfortable enough, you can, take your own conclusions, I would say it that way, and never put money that you cannot afford to lose here. Okay. And other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching it. I know this video is kind of simple, but I'm trying to make my best here to improve on this YouTube. This YouTube channel is going to talk about entrepreneurship. So anything about making money online is not just about Forex. I'm not just going to be talking about Forex in this channel. I'm going to be talking about so many things in this channel: how to make money online, make money with YouTube, how to grow a channel, growing an Instagram, the stock market, how to buy your stocks, how you can buy ETFs, indexes, how you can trade Forex and stuff like that. And yeah, I want you guys to understand and grow from that. I want you to learn how to do organic traffic, how to do paid traffic, and how to make money with the internet. So Forex is making money with the internet, whether you like it or not. So I'm here to be a sort of a mentor, and I hope I can help you at least a little bit. If I help you 1% to become better at your journey, then I think I made my part. So if you think that it was insightful, please subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye. See ya.